Dear jury panel, my colleagues from college, guests for the event, and my dear students, so many of them, and some of them are sitting in another room where it's being video streamed in NCR 4. On behalf of SPJN Institute of Management and Research, I welcome you all to the 9th SPJIMR Marketing Impact Awards, SMIA as we more fondly know it as. We realized in the marketing department, and all of us in the department have been in the corporate sector and have been ex-marketers, that there are challenges that marketers face, especially in these days when there are budgetary controls, and there is constant pressure to justify marketing spends. In fact, there always has been. Along with these challenges, many questions come to one's mind. Foremost, that I have also personally faced myself, and I'm sure many of you in marketing have faced, is that why are marketing programs put under a microscope whenever budgets are under pressure? Another question that comes to one's mind is, how can, for instance, one measure return on marketing investment when, let's say, there is a new product launch, or there is a realignment of sales force, or revamping of the distribution system? How does one measure it? The other question that comes is, can marketing keep pace with the increasing productivity and efficiency of other functions? Can marketing really hit the nail on the head? To answer some of these questions we bring to you today, as part of the SPJIMR Academic Conclave, SMIA, the 9th edition of SMIA, to demonstrate that marketing effectiveness can be measured. As an academic institution, we at SPJIMR believe in influencing practice, and we hope that today we can provide, and going forward as well, provide a platform for sharing best practices, and also stimulate new ideas to measure and isolate the long-term impact of marketing initiatives on the total business. We've had a tremendous response from the corporate sector for entries this year. And the 4 finalists that are sitting here in the first few rows on my right have made it here after 3 rigorous rounds of jury evaluations. The 4 finalists today that will be presenting before you will be from a team from ICICI Bank, the Four Fountains Spa, Interface Communication for the entry for Oreo, and Eureka Forbes. Today, to ensure that there is an all-round evaluation, we have a jury present here in the front row that is represented by marketing department, marketing as a function from the industry, from the field of market research and advertising, and also from academia. You all are going to have a tough job today finding out and identifying who's going to take away the SMIA 2013 trophy. But ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, the evaluation is going to be on the following parameters. One would be the nature of initiatives that they have taken, the organizations have taken, the relevance and the effort that is involved in each of the initiatives, the effectiveness of the initiative, analysis of the kind of analysis that they're going to demonstrate today on stage of the impact that it has had, the initiative has had on the business, and finally, the presentation itself. The winning team today will take away the SMIA 2013 trophy. And not only that, they also win a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. The runners-up will get a cash prize of 75,000 rupees, and all finalists get certificates. And of course, they're not the only ones who are going to win something today. There's a marketing quiz for the audience where all of you have a chance to win a prize. And we're very proud to have with us our alumnus of 2011, Mr. Sumukh Herlekar, who will be the quiz master of the day during the course of the event. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, SMIA is a property that has gained equity, and we are very proud of it. Quite a few of you come year after year, and we are very happy and thankful to you about it. I'm quite sure you're going to enjoy the conclave and find a lot of value in it. Thank you for coming.